Some time ago, people thought that teaching a robot to perform any commands was an impossible task. Now scientists have achieved the impossible. They face a much more difficult task. When communication lines open, individual agents such as robots or drones can work together to collaborate and complete the task. But what if they aren't equipped with the right hardware or the signals are blocked, making communication impossible? University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign researchers started with this more difficult challenge. They developed a method to train multiple agents to work together using multi-agent reinforcement learning, a type of artificial intelligence. They had to determine what each agent's roles and tasks were in another situation. This scenario is much more complex and presents a more difficult problem because it's not obvious what one agent should do compared to another agent. The challenge was to complete the task together over the period of time. They created a utility function that tells an agent when he does something useful or good for the team. Algorithms developed by researchers can also detect when an agent or robot is doing something that doesn't contribute to the goal. They tested their algorithms using simulations of games such as Capture the Flag and the popular computer game StarCraft. According to one of the researchers, this type of algorithm is applicable in many real-world situations, such as military surveillance, robots working together in a warehouse, traffic signal control, autonomous vehicles coordinating deliveries, or electric power grid. Sun Hyun Kim did most of the theory behind the idea, when he was undergraduate student studying mechanical engineering, with Neil Australian, an aerospace student, helping with the implementation. Tran and Giri Chaudhary advised both students. Let us in the comments, how do you think their work together will be more efficient? Subscribe to our channel, and if you want to receive more helpful information, just check it out on bottomlab.com.